this talent. Fully deserved. Scintillating table tennis throughout this contest. And although I think it's fair to say, with the benefit of hindsight, that Man Yu was in charge just about throughout the entire affair, Sun Ying-sha showed us some wonderful touches. What a final. Don't forget, we've still got the men's final to come. I'm sure we'll hear from our champion in a moment. She must be absolutely delighted.
It seems like you are in a good mentality and state. And how did you make that? 曼玉呢，感觉你一上来状态、心态都特别好，你是怎么做到的？
对，我觉得今天的比赛，自己心态就是放下来去拼杀杀吧。然后无论从技战术的执行和发挥，都是非常的坚决。
Well, for today's match, first of all, I have a very good mentality and I actually executed very firmly with the skills and tactics.
And what do you want to say to all the audience who support you? 那你有什么想要跟现场支持你的球迷朋友们分享的吗？
我觉得这么多天的比赛，大家都来现场来支持自己喜欢的球员，也是非常的辛苦。然后也希望他们多多保护嗓子吧。
Where during these days of matches, I would like to first thank you for coming to the venue to support your favorite player. Thank you so much, and also all the best.
谢谢曼玉 ，Thank you。我们稍后颁奖仪式见，谢谢。
Read more about table tennis on my blog, PingSunday.com. Get free ebook and coaching advices. See you in the next video.